And to grow the sunflower sprouts the hydroponic way, I'm going to use these seeds over here. This is the iragi type sunflower seeds. You can use any kind of sunflower seed, for example, black oil sunflower seed. Just make sure that they are organic seeds and have no additives, chemicals, or fungicides. That is very important. So the first thing to do is soak them in water for at least 8 hours. Over here I have a jar. Now I'm going to fill it with water. You can use any kind of water, tap water, bottled water. It's not that important. Just make sure all the seeds are wet and under water. And now let's wait at least 8 hours. Okay, this is not 8 but around 12 hours later. So now let's wash them very well. Get a strainer. Put the seeds. And now let's wash them. You can use the aid of a bowl, and you can wash the seeds using these two ways, putting the water directly and or using a bowl. See? So like this, you wash it very well. Then drain the water very well. Spread the seeds. And we're going to wash these seeds at least 2 times a day. These seeds need to be in the dark for the sprouts to develop. And to maintain the seeds in the dark, you can do it 2 ways. Or you cover it with some kind of cloth. Okay. Or if you prefer, and that's what I'm going to do, I just put it inside a cabinet that is dark. Now this is day 1, the day after putting the seeds in the dark for the first time. And let's wash them. We should do it twice a day. This is day 2, and the sprouts are already appearing. Continue washing the seeds twice a day. Now we are at the end of day 3, and we can see how the sprouts are growing, and it's growing very well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pass it to a different kind of strainer. We're going to put it in a larger strainer. But before that, let's wash again these seeds. Okay, now I'm going to transfer these seeds that already sprouted into a different kind of strainer. As I said, it is a strainer like this that is wide. You avoid overlapping the seeds, and this allows a microgreen to grow up, straight up, without also getting entangled and beneath other seeds or other roots. Let's transfer the seeds and spread them very well to avoid the overlapping, and be very gentle for the roots not to break. Okay, this is fine. If you already have the second strainer full and you still have remaining seeds over here, don't try to fill this second strainer. It is important that the seeds are not overlapping too much, that this strainer is not overcrowded because of the reasons I just said. So with these seeds over here, you can put them in another strainer, or even you can grow microgreens in soil. I will make a video showing how to do it. When it's done, I'll put it in the description of this video, or in a comment, in a pinned comment. You still need to water twice a day these seeds over here, and the best way to water it at this stage is spraying some water on top. So do it twice a day, and it's still necessary to store it in a dark, at least for a couple more days. Now we are at the end of day 4, which is the first day the seeds are in this white tray. We have a good quantity of leaves already growing. Keep it in a dark for one more day. Keep watering twice a day. So we have reached 5 complete days, and this is what it looks like. At this stage, they no longer need to be kept in the dark. So we should put them near a window for it to catch brightness at least 6 hours a day. It can catch some direct sunlight, but be careful because it should not catch too much direct sunlight. To water these seeds, you can simply put water down here in this container because it already has a good quantity of roots. You can see. So at this moment, we're gonna put this in a bright place, water it down here in the container, and tomorrow let's check it again. This is day 6, and the microgreens are growing well. Now we are at day 7, and the microgreens grew a little bit more. The shell of the seeds are naturally fallen. You can see they start falling down as the leaves grow. This is the end of day 8. Day 9. Leaves are getting well developed. Now we are at day 10. The microgreens at this moment already have a good size to be harvested. I could wait one more day or two, but at this moment it is in a good size to be consumed. When you see they're more like this size, like this, as you can see, that is between 8 to 11 days, more or less, you can harvest. So now let's harvest these wonderful microgreens. I already took the water out of this container, and let's take a look at the roots. So really big roots and a big quantity of roots. So now let's harvest, and to do that I will cut the microgreens with the help of some scissors, and I will cut them the nearest to the roots as possible. You can pull it out and then cut it like this, and then I will put it in a plate. You can cut them directly from the strainer without pulling them up, like this. So do it the way you prefer. I will try like this. You can also use your hands. And then I will put it over here. You can cut the roots also with your hands like this. Easy. So we already harvested the microgreens. This is the quantity we harvested. It's lots of microgreens. It is a good harvest. If you can't eat them all at once, you can store it in the fridge in a plastic bag for around a week. So as you can see, to grow sunflower microgreens at home, it is very easy to do. It doesn't give too much work, and this is a very, very healthy food to eat. This is a superfood. These microgreens have essential amino acids as well as vitamin A, calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium, and more. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to put a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel. Give us your support, and see you next time, and goodbye.